Hello everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to set up a sales funnel on Podia. To begin, sign up for an account on the Podia website by using the link in the description box. Let's get started. Setting up a sales funnel on Podia in 2024 is a strategic process aimed at guiding potential customers toward making a purchase. Begin by defining the goals of your sales funnel, whether it's to generate leads, promote a product, or drive sales. Access your Podia account and create the offer you want to promote, such as an online course or ebook. Design a compelling landing page using Podia's built-in editor, including persuasive copy and a clear call to action. Set up automated email sequences to nurture leads and guide them through the funnel, utilizing Podia's email marketing tools. Drive traffic to your landing page through various marketing channels and capture leads using lead capture forms. Follow up with leads via email sequences. Close the sale by directing leads to your sales page or checkout process, ensuring a seamless purchasing experience. Continuously monitor and optimize your sales funnel using Podia's analytics tools to maximize conversions and revenue. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description to access the platform. Thank you for watching.